What's up, champions? Welcome back to Jet Surfing Nation, your place where we test and review all jet boards and e-foils. And today we are meeting the team of YuJet. Woo! They're going to introduce to us the new jet board. Are you ready? Let's go! Joining us today, the team of YuJet, Rosalind and Carlos, and of course our team of Jet Surfing Nation, Luis and Melissa and Carlos. Welcome, guys. In this quick video we're going to cover everything about this exciting jet board. They came all the way to us here in Portugal, and I'm very excited to test this new jet board. They have been on the market for several years now, but unfortunately they were only selling in United States
and China, yes.
And China. So finally they are here in Europe, and I cannot wait to try it out myself. So let's get started, and first of all, as always, we get started with the basics: the speed, the charging time, the weight, and the riding time. Tell us everything.
Perfect. Okay, about the speed, we can tell about 42 kilometers per hour. Charging time is around 1 hour and 20-30 minutes, and weight that you can take is between 60 and 100 kilograms. Riding time is around 40 minutes. It depends of if you are going in high speed or low speed, but maximum time is around 40 minutes.
Yeah, sounds good. Tell me where the boards are made. Is it like a Chinese brand, or some parts are made in the United States?
Yes.
Tell me everything.
The board has been designed in United States, and the manufacturer is China, like an iPhone. And now we are selling this product in Europe. The main office is in Barcelona, and we are shipping around all Europe, all the countries.
Yes. So now we have the office in Barcelona, so it's easier for us to shipping everywhere in Europe, and also it's very easier for us to maintain if there is any small issues in the later, So don't worry about the after service.
That's really exciting, because one of the main things that people don't understand about jet boards is after sale service.
Yeah.
You get the board, you get it shipped from China, maybe it's cheaper, but you get no service. It's very important to get your local service, your local dealer, somebody who can fix little things. It's always something is happening. Even with the best brands, it's natural.
Yes, we have the office in US, and we have the office in Barcelona, and then later probably we'll have more in German. So don't worry about the after service. And also our brand is not a new brand. We are already on the market for in US market for almost 3 years. So it's a very mature, reliable brand. And also, I mean, the thing is, our board is built for to have the family fun. You can ride it with your dog, with your little kid. Yeah, that's our main thing to do it.
Yeah, what I really like about this brand is it's really family friendly. A lot of boards crave for maximum speed, really quick adrenaline rides, but let's be honest, it's quite difficult to learn. If you're out of shape, if you're just getting into jetboarding market, you're not going to jump on jet surf and go full speed right away. It takes a lot of time to learn it. This board is quite easy to learn. I see has a lot of flotation. It's quite big, it has a lot of volume. So what is the full weight, fully armed?
Okay, the difference, of course, this one is plastic and this one is carbon. The carbon one, it's always a bit lighter. It's including battery is 36 kilograms, and this one is 44. So this one is very, very good in the ocean, like now, I mean, with the big waves. But that one is great, it's perfect in the lake, and for personal use is amazing. So our brand actually is founded by pro surfer, and they are very full experience of the engineers, so they know how to design the shape and also the.
Last season we had a full interview with them, and they showed us everything. In case you missed that video, make sure you check it in the links below. But basically this shape, it's really well designed for surfing. I see a lot of little details, like they didn't forget about the handles. A lot of brands really forget about the handles. They try to make it look beautiful, but it's not very user friendly. So here we have all the handles, we have GoPro attachment, we have a bumper on top in case you hit something. So you really thought of everything. But the most important part is a plug and play solution. So there are no cables to connect. Tell us more about the battery.
Battery, you connect in only one position, and you have these clips to attach it. Okay, you move it and you get locked. And it is very easy to change. You don't need.
2 seconds.
Yes,
2 seconds.
it's
2 seconds.
only remove it and put the other. Lithium batteries.
Yeah. So the battery is quite small. How heavy is the battery?
Battery weight is 15 kilograms.
15 kilograms. It's for me, one hand. It's
Yes,
what
it's
I can do it.
around. If you ask about the capacity, is 36 amperes hour. So it can give you a ride around 40 minutes.
All right, looks good. Yeah, it's very interesting to take it to the waves. Carlos is here, a professional surfer. What do you think, Carlos?
Sometimes. Well, I'm pretty amazed because you know the board floats. So if you want to surf, obviously you have to be seated, you know, waiting for the wave, and instead of going around in circles, you know, wasting the battery, you can have a seat, wait for the wave. Normal surfing, you know.
Yeah, you
So
can
it's-
extend the riding time for hours. You
Exactly.
just sit, wait for the
The
set
other
to
thing
come.
I'll-
Yeah?
And you can lay down. Lay on it.
The other thing that you know, obviously need to check is when the battery runs out, how heavy is going to be paddling back. The most important is if you ever wipe out, if it's a hash one or it's very much.
Yeah, I would
Obviously,
definitely add
20
the
kilograms.
leash for it as well. Yeah. I
Like
brought
we-
the leash today.
So
I
first
mean, we
thing-
want to interview you after you try it. Then you will have a
Yeah.
different energy and a different passion about it.
Sitting down, being seated is a bonus for sure. Because obviously, if you look for the surfers, they are sitting at least half the time. The other half they are paddling, which we don't need. Thankfully, I'm 1% riding, so we'll see.
Perfect.
How does the remote control work?
Yes, it is made to be as much as simple possible, right? You don't have screens or nothing. You only have LED lights, which indicates the state of the battery of the remote control, and your mode. And you have two modes, expert and beginner. In beginner, the acceleration and speed is lower to get you the most comfortable riding. And the expert mode, you can be more faster and give more fun.
Enjoy more.
Yes, it is wireless. You don't need to attach nothing, and the charging is wireless.
And
So-
also it's floating.
Yeah.
So,
Also, yes, if this goes to the water, no worry, it floats. Okay. Only after you go to the sea, it's recommendable get the flush water with fresh water to clean all the salt, and that's it.
All right.
So how do you know about the battery level?
okay, so on the battery we have 4 lights on it, so you can always see. And also here you have the 4 lights on it. So this connect together,
Yeah.
and at the bottom line, actually, when the battery goes low, this remote control is moving.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it shakes, vibrates.
Yes,
Okay.
it shakes. So,
Also, each light indicates you at 25%. So it's a total of 4 lights for a 100%, and each light is 25% less. Okay. This is the TX bat and mode expert beginning and warning. But so much better if you try and you see it. Okay.
All right, guys. This looks exciting. We got 2 boards, 4 batteries,
Yeah.
perfect waves, great conditions. So let's go to
have
the
fun.
water.
yeah.
Okay.
Here we go, riding YuJet. There you have it, guys. YuJet, very fun board, beginners friendly. If you're looking to get started in the sport of jetboarding, this is a board right for you. It's very easy to ride, it's very floatable, very big board with a lot of flotation, and even if you're a heavy rider like me, you'll have no trouble to get going. Let's keep on riding, shall we? There you have it, guys. We had a lot of fun testing YuJet here. It's a great beginner-friendly board. If you're looking to get started in the sport of jetboarding, this is the board right for you. I remember 5 years ago when I was completely green and I never tried the JETBOARD before. I had a board like this, but this one is much more powerful, and it was a big surprise to me. I was expecting it to be much slower, but even for a heavy rider like me, I'm almost 90 now, it had enough power to get me going. So don't worry about the speed, it's a lot of power.
Thank
and
you.
like they say, it's almost half an hour, maybe 40 minutes of riding time. So if you want to get one, contact Carlos at YuJet Europe and he'll set you up with a board like this. Very fun board, very easy to ride. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next one. Cheers!
Bye bye.